We have a new 1440p dashcam to try out, and it is this one right here, the new 70mai A410. Well, what exactly is 1440p? Well, that just means that it's even clearer than 1080p, and it's even clearer than full HD. Well, in this video, let me show you around the features of this new 70mai A410, and also show you the clips that it can record. Okay, so once you get your 70mai A410 set, you're gonna have your main camera. So this is the one that swivels, is your front camera. You're also gonna have a rear camera, which I don't have right here because it's already installed in my vehicle. You also have this trim pry tool for you to remove trims for you to do your wiring. And now the wiring, now you have two optional wires. So first of all, this is for your regular wire. This one connects to your cigarette lighter port if you don't need parking surveillance. Now, if you do need parking surveillance, you can also get the 70mai optional hardwire kit. This particular one is the UP03. So this one will also power your dash cam, and you can actually wire this directly onto your fuse box. That way you can use your 24/7 parking surveillance function. Now, this aside, obviously there is an owner's manual, and yeah, that's about it. It is quite simple. For the wiring, there's two ways. If you use a regular 12-volt outlet power cable, you do have to wire it over there, up there on your headliner through the trims, and then you simply plug it into your 12-volt outlet. However, in my case, since I use the hardwire kit, I wire it again, same thing, through there, over there, through the dashboard, and then towards my fuse box, which is located there, or for some vehicles, it is there by your hood. Now for the rear camera, so it's going to be wired through this part of your tailgate, the trims over here, and over there, which has a long wire that goes straight into your main camera. The dashcam itself, it has a screen on it, which is honestly quite clear, and it also has 4 buttons on it for you to control everything that you would want to control in the dashcam. Optionally though, it does come with the capability of being linked to your 70mai app on your smartphone, and on this app you can do all sorts of things. You can download the videos that you have on your dashcam. You can also monitor your dashcam in real time and also play with the settings. This comes with a tilting front camera that can record 1440p, which is better than full HD, and there's also a rear camera that supports up to 1080p. So this means you have dual channel recording. Because the front camera has an aperture of 1.55 f1.55. For us camera lovers out there, I'm sure you know that means it can absorb a lot of light. That really is good. And so far, I've tested out the clips and they are incredibly clear. The front camera is super clear. That rear camera is also incredibly clear. And even during the nighttime, this dashcam actually comes with super night vision, which means that even in the darkest of conditions, you can still see everything clearly, including those license plates, which would be very important for when you have to file a police report and when you're going to be needing the footage from your dashcam for evidence. Aside from that too, the 70mai A410 also comes with a lot of other functionalities that really improve your safety. You have G sensors, which means that if someone were to hit your vehicle, or if you were to also get into an accident, it will actually detect that and will immediately record an emergency recording. Additionally, since we do have that hardwire kit tapped straight into the fuse box, even if the car is off, it will still continue recording to monitor everything around your car when you are away, when you are parked. They call this the parking surveillance mode. So if you have the optional hardwire kit and you want to set up your parking surveillance mode, it's very easy. You can do it inside the 70mai app or on your dashcam itself. Just go into settings, this rightmost button, go into parking surveillance, and you can set the duration if you want it in unlimited or even shorter. Now you can also set the collision detection sensitivity, and what I like about this is that at least you have the option to set it, because sometimes if you set it into ultra high, for example, if someone kind of like touches your car, it kind of detects it too. So I would personally recommend you keep it at medium. And with that said, yeah, that's about it. You're all set for parking surveillance. The 70mai A410 also adapts quickly to changes in light. So for example, if you're driving through a tunnel, it will still take both the dark areas of the tunnel and the bright areas of after the tunnel. And you can also see it demonstrated here when our garage door is open. So remember, I also said that there are G sensors that can detect collisions with your vehicle. So if it detects that, okay, your car really moved a lot abruptly, it'll take an emergency recording. So let me demonstrate that for you. So obviously I don't want to crash my car, but to demonstrate this G sensor thing, so for example, if we move this dash cam right here and then it gets slammed right like that, it's gonna have, see, recording emergency video. And this recording isn't something that's easily deleted, so it's gonna stay safe right there. So you can definitely still use it for when you file your police report. It's quite clever. So now we test out the sound quality of the internal microphone of the 70mai A410. And actually I was able to test this out earlier. And all I can say so far is that I think that the 70mai A410 has one of the best microphones in terms of dashcam microphones. It just is so much clearer to what you would usually get from the market, and that's a good thing. It can really record internal conversation. You might need it for evidence, I'm not too sure, but just in case you do, well, it is right here. So I've been using the 70mai A410 for the past couple of days or so, and I just love how user-friendly it is to use. From the main interface that we have on the dashcam itself to the app, the 70mai app, everything is just, it's logical. Now I've tried out other dashcams too, I've tried out other brands too, and so far, these 70mi's have been the best. In fact, I have like 4 70mai dashcams right now. You've got to try out all of the models, and they are all really good. Now, if you're interested in picking up one of these, they're actually available right now. We're going to be putting the shopping links down below, so click that and always make sure that your car is secured, not only when you're driving, but also when it is parked and unattended.